Hello, I'm Steve, this is Bit of Munch, and I've got two M&S products to try today. I have got Mexican style chili and bean soup, £1.10, and chorizo and red pepper tortillas, £1.35. Right, the soup. £1.10 is a good price, isn't it? And it says with chipotle and ancho chili, and it's a 2 chili rating. So, more spice. It can't be as spicy as those sausages, can it? Oh dear. Anyway, there's the traffic lights if you want to have a look at it. Reasonably healthy. So what we got in this? What we got? 44% tomatoes, 11% borlotti beans, 8% red kidney beans, 6% onions, 5% black-eyed beans, 2% red peppers, 2% green peppers, and then all the other ingredients. Yeah, no nasties on these ingredients at all by the look of it. And these are suitable for vegans, or this is suitable for vegans. Yeah, should be good. Cosy and comforting, it says. Right, and chorizo and red pepper tortillas. There's not much I can tell you about these, really. On the back it just says chorizo and red pepper flavoured corn tortilla chips. It's a 200 gram bag, so a pretty big bag. M&S crisps are usually good, aren't they? Usually very good. So, what I'm going to do, I'll try them first on their own, then I'll heat the soup up and try the soup, and then we'll try them both together. I'm going to dip tortilla chips in soup. They'll probably go all soggy, won't they? I'll just eat them on the side. Anyway, let's give them a try. Agitate the older smells and flavours. Don't smell of a lot, to be honest. Okay. That one didn't taste of a lot. This one's sort of puffed up. Can you see that? They're a little on the soft side. They're not quite as crunchy as they should be. And there's not an awful lot of taste. They're really disappointing for M&S. As I said, their crisps are usually very, very good. They're not. You can just about taste the chorizo and various very, very subtle sort of spice flavourings. But can't recommend these. Right, I dived down to the bottom because I spotted this one. Looks like it got loads of flavour on it. M&S chorizo and red pepper tortillas. Don't recommend them. A bit soft, not much flavour. I assume they're still in date. Where's the date? 15th of October. So they're nearly out of date, but that's a best before anyway, so they'd be fine for ages after that, or they should be. No, don't recommend them. I'll eat them, I'll finish them, but hopefully they'll go well with the soup. Right, I'll get the soup in a bowl, get it microwaved, and we'll give that a try. Right, it's done. It smells great. You can really smell the tomato and the paprika. Oh, yeah, smoked paprika. Lovely. Let's just move this, give you a proper look at it. Look at that. Loads of stuff in this, loads of beans, potato. Oh, yes. How did it describe it? Cosy and comforting. I really think this will be. Okay. It's pretty thick with all the ingredients in it, all the veg. Right, here we go. Got some beans and a bit of red pepper in this spoonful. This is hot, both ways, temperature wise and spice wise. That's really good. Oh, blowing it everywhere. The textures of the oh, there's not a big bit of potato there, so that. Yeah, the texture of the beans, the potato, the veg is just right. Really well seasoned. Smoked paprika coming through really strong. It's not as spicy hot as I expected. It is spicy, but it's not as hot as I expected. That is a very satisfying bowl of soup. Yeah, definitely. It's more like a stew or a casserole. It's got so much stuff in it. Question is, will this get, well, this is going to get even more soft and soggy, isn't it, if I dip it in it? Okay. Actually goes really well together. I won't dip them from now on though. Totally recommend that. £1.10. I think that's a bargain. Really do. For all the veg it's got in it. It's one of your 5 a day. It's not a 2 chilli rating. It says on there 2 chilli. It's a 1 in my opinion. But a winter warmer, or an autumn warmer as we are at the moment, even though it's a lovely day out there today. Recording this on Saturday, and yeah, it's lovely out there. When I walked home from work earlier, it's really warm, sunny, dry. Anyway, you don't really need the weather forecast for yesterday, do you? Okay, thanks for watching. Let me know if you tried either of these, and especially those, did you find them really soft? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.